Hi guys, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel and I'm really happy to see you here today. So as you can see, I'm in a really unusual spot today. I'm in my own bed. But before you will think something else, I just want to show you that you can lay in your own bed and still trade and still have a lot of profits. Because actually, I like to trade sometimes when I'm in bed, just laying, just chilling. You're not stressful, you're not emotional, so this is the best thing. You should definitely try it, guys. This is my favorite one. And always when I woke up, I have a lot of things going on and I like to solve these problems when I'm still in a bed. But guys, let's get started. Today I will show you one interesting strategy. It is really great in working even for beginners. We will use a super trend indicator, Zig Zag indicator, and Williams indicator as well. So it will be really interesting. Watch this video till the end and let's get started. So guys, first of all, we need to choose our indicators. The first one is Williams, then Zig Zag, and then super trend. Wow, looks really great. A lot of indicators. So for the Zig Zag, we change our style to white color, and let's change the inputs. Deviation is 6 here, depth is 10, and backstep is 2. And we click save. Then for the Williams indicator, we change period to 12. Main line here is white, and then like this. And we already clicked save. So for the super trend, we just leave everything like that, and let's change the time of our trades to 1 minute. So guys, here I open a trade for $1,000 down. Today we will play with a big amount of money. So by the way, today I'm trading with this strategy on the line charts. You can also use it for the candlestick charts. It's working really great as well, but still I like to use this strategy with a line chart. So why I open a trade here? You can see it with the super trend. Super trend is sending us a signal to open a trade lower, and we can see that our chart already achieved the resistance level, so it will probably go lower. Let's look at the Williams indicator as well. We can see that the white line of Williams intersects the red line of Williams, and it means that our chart will probably also go lower. And the zigzag indicator is the same. We can see that zigzag indicator is going lower as well. So all the three indicators is showing us to open a trade down, and it's 1 second, and yeah, we had our profit, guys. As you can see, that's working pretty great. I will tell you more details about that because there is something you need to know also about the strategy. Here I open another trade for $1,000 down again. We can see that the zigzag indicator sending us a signal to open a trade down. It's a white line going down. The super trend indicator also sending us the last signal is to open a trade lower. But for the Williams indicator, while I was talking, the white line already moving upward, but as you can see now it's moving downward, so it's changing really quick actually. So the one thing about the indicators, about these indicators actually, is that it's changing in the moment like that. So this indicators is showing us the situation right now, not any of the signals sending us the signal in 2 minutes, in 3 minutes or something, how our chart will change. But we can predict the movement of the chart because of the support and resistance level and all the indicators. And yeah guys, we had our profit. So yeah guys, at this chart we can see that it's already achieved the support level and it will not probably go lower, so we will just change the chart. Let's look at this one. We need to open trade really quick, so I open here trade for $1,000 down for 1 minute as well. Here is the same situation. Super trend is sending us a signal to open a trade lower. You need to zoom that actually to see it, because when you zoom it you see more signals. For example, right now the last signal is higher, but we opened our trade before that. But in 30 seconds it will change, as you can see now. So for the Williams indicator, the same situation. When we opened a trade, our white line of Williams was intersecting the red line of Williams, And the same with the zigzag. But you can see now it's kind of chaotic. It's going like this. But yeah, let's see, it's 15 seconds till the end of a trade. So yeah, the problem with the indicators always is that they are showing us the situation right now. So guys, here I opened 2 more trades for $2,000 down each, because as we can see, the situation has changed and our chart starts to growing. But as you can see now, it's sending us a signal again to open a trade lower, and now it's more stronger, as you can see, and the situation is the same like with the other signals. All the indicators is showing us to open a trade lower. So this is pretty easy to understand the indicators, and at the same time you need to analyze more things. You need to analyze this and find support and resistance level to understand how our chart will move in the future, because this is even more important than the indicators. So now we can see it's going pretty well. It's 5 seconds till the end of our trades, and boom, 3, 2, 1. And yeah, we had our profit. As you can see, that's really great. Guys, don't need to be afraid of the catch-ups, because eventually you will cover your losses and still have your profit. So let's look at this one. Wow, look at this. It's going like that. That's actually really unusual to see that. It's really rare, this kind of the chart. So yeah, let's open a trade here for $1,000 up. But here I actually opened a trade against the trend. You can see that, but it's only because our chart already achieved the support level. And as you can see now, after 20 seconds of our trade, our chart is sending us a signal to open a trade higher. So as you can see, it's moving like on the just straight, not even like that. So it's really rare to see something like this. But yeah, let's see, it's really interesting. It's 15 seconds till the end of a trade. As you can see, it's growing really great right now. So here I didn't see at the indicators right now and open a signal before our chart started to growing, because it was the support level. And boom, we had our profit, guys. This is crazy, but this is true. And even in the bet, here I opened another trade for $1,000 down, because now the indicators, when I open the trade again, because now, for example, the white line of the Williams, yeah, it intersects the red line again of the Williams. You can see how fast it's changing on the line chart. So it's you can try it if you are a beginner, but this is really it could be riskful, it could be stressful for you, because as you can see, everything changes really fast. So if you will not open a trade right now, it will just boom and will go higher or lower, and you will be late. So here you need to be really fast to open the trades on a great positions. So it's 15 seconds till the end of our trade. You can see on the chart now it's again going just straight forwards. That's it. But we're still winning. It's 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom. Yeah, we had our profit, guys. So guys, as you can see, this is really interesting strategy. You should definitely try it, first of all, on your demo account, and only after you will be sure about yourself about this strategy, you can try it on your real account. So with this strategy, we made in just few minutes around $4,000. So this is really great result. Guys, text me in the comments, what do you think about this strategy? What do you think about this kind of video? I thought it will be interesting for you to show how you can trade anywhere, in the bed, in the cafe, in the beach. Before I even had the video when I traded in the pool, so I was swimming and trading at the same time. It was really funny. So my dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this video. In my Telegram channel, every week I give a free signals absolutely for everyone, so you can follow it and have your profit. And also, my VIP club is absolutely free for everyone. There we trade every day, sometimes even twice a day. So don't miss this opportunity to start trading with me. Guys, again, thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next trading session. Bye-bye.